So now the last piece I want to talk about is really every student. So this kind of builds upon what I talked about with the AP courses. But what we have is a marketplace. And I'll also share this link in a moment as well. And this marketplace is a great opportunity. Not only can you see the course list and the catalog with the previous link, but you can actually search for a specific course, see all of the details, see the course outline and how it is built with a scaffolded approach and research design. I could geek out on the curriculum all day. But you never want to buy anything until you kick the tires, right? Well, in this marketplace that we utilize with StrongMind, we're able to actually view the course as a student, as a teacher, as a parent, so that you really can see, is this going to be a curriculum content that will help my student and resonate with their particular needs? So you can see all of the imagery. We're very media heavy. You can click around and see how they present vocabulary and use the accessibility tools. It's just really nice that we have this option. So families know exactly the experience they're bringing to their students through this marketplace.